Hello everyone, in this video, we will be discussing the Gpcr pathway. Gpcrs or G-protein coupled receptors are a family of membrane proteins that are found in eukaryotic cells. They are involved in a wide range of physiological processes such as sensory perception, neurotransmission, and hormone regulation. The Gpcr pathway is an important signaling pathway in the body, and understanding it is essential for understanding how cells communicate with each other. What is the Gpcr pathway? The Gpcr pathway begins when a ligand or signaling molecule binds to the extracellular domain of a Gpcr. This binding causes a conformational change in the receptor, which in turn activates a G-protein. G-proteins are intracellular signaling molecules that are activated by Gpcrs. Once activated, the G-protein dissociates into its alpha and beta/gamma subunits, which can then interact with other intracellular signaling molecules to activate downstream signaling cascades. Types of G-proteins. There are three main types of G-proteins: GS, GI, and GQ. GS stimulates the production of cyclic AMP or CAMP, while GI inhibits it. GQ activates the enzyme phospholipase C or PLC, which cleaves a membrane phospholipid to produce the second messenger's diacylglycerol or DAG and inositol trisphosphate or IP3. Second messengers. Second messengers are small intracellular signaling molecules that are generated in response to Gpcr activation. They amplify the original signal and can activate downstream signaling pathways. CAMP, DAG, and IP3 are all examples of second messengers that are generated by the Gpcr pathway. Downstream signaling. Once the second messengers are generated, they can activate downstream signaling pathways. For example, CAMP can activate protein kinase A or pKa, which in turn can phosphorylate and activate other proteins. DAG and IP3 can activate protein kinase C or pKc, which can also phosphorylate and activate other proteins. These downstream signaling pathways ultimately lead to changes in gene expression, ion channel activity, and other cellular processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Gpcr pathway is an important signaling pathway in the body. It begins with the binding of a ligand to a Gpcr, which activates a G-protein. The G-protein then activates downstream signaling pathways through the generation of second messengers. Understanding the Gpcr pathway is essential for understanding how cells communicate with each other, and it has important implications for drug discovery and development. Thank you for watching.